So check it out. Earlier I restored a Commodore Vanderbilt, but there were actually two Commodore Vanderbilts in the auction that I won. It was like 13 bucks for both of them. They both had motors in them. But this one had a little bit rougher life than the other one did, and it's been painted, which isn't unusual. I mean, they were toys, and kids played with them, which was good. So I thought I'd do something kind of neat with it. I actually stuck a 333 with a smoke unit motor in it. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave that motor in or put a different one in, but it's kind of cool that it does fit in there and it does smoke. So we'll take it for a spin, and then we'll probably tear it down, decide which motor we're going to get, and we'll give it a decent paint job. I'm not sure what yet. But here, we'll take it for a spin. Here we go. Oh, the smoke unit's working great. I got that motor at one of the train shows, I think down in Allentown. I was going to put it and save it for a nice either 333 or 1829 shell, which I haven't found yet, so it might find a permanent home in this. Got a traction tire too, so it pulls very well. Great, it's running really smooth. There's nothing binding in there. Plenty of room. Alright, smokes really well, it runs really smooth, it's a good puller. I think it may have just found itself a permanent home. I'm going to take it off the track, and so hopefully you can see in the camera just how I mounted it in there. You can take a look here, maybe hold it back there. There we go. Alright, well thanks so much for watching, God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord. Keep following this build, we'll have it painted here pretty soon, and then we'll take it for a real nice run. God bless.